In today's video, we are going to discuss how to create a circled number 20 inside a black square. So for creating the circle number 20 in black square, you must use this keyboard shortcut Alt 12873. Okay, I'll show you how to create this symbol. So you must open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. You must open MS Word, and after that you can simply try this keyboard shortcut, that is you must first go to your keyboard, and suppose this number lock is off, you must press this here and you can turn on the number lock, and after that you can see an alt key. So this is the alt key. You can see alt key on left and right side of the space bar. Okay, I'm going to press the alt key on my left side, and you can see in this I am not removing my finger from this alt key. At the same time, I am going to type here 12873. So after typing 12873, I can release my finger from this alt key. So now you can see that we have created a circle number 20 with a black square. For more videos, subscribe Engineers World Online.